Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11. If you're having troubles in downloading or using any software or any other tool due to Windows Defender or security, then I'll show you how you can turn it off. So first you have to go to the desktop and then you have to search for the settings. You can go to the Windows icon, there you will find the settings. Open the settings and on the left side you will see all these options. You have to go from these and select the second last option, which is privacy and security. As privacy and security gets open, then you will see different options. You have to go with the first one, which is Windows security, and it will open. Then you have to click onto this option, open Windows security. As you click onto it, these options will come up. Then you have to go with the second one, which is virus and threat security or protection. You have to click onto it and there you will see this option, virus and threat protection settings. You have to click on manage settings. Then you will see some of these toggled ons like real-time protection, drive protection and cloud deliver protection. You have to turn off these options. Once you have turned off these options, make sure this option does not get turned off, only the first three ones. Once you have turned them off, then you have to look for the options that are on the left side, and from there you have to click on app and browser control. Once you get there, you will see this option, reputation based protection. Under it you will see this option, click onto it, and again you will find these toggles. You have to just simply turn them off. As you turn them off, that means Windows Defender has been successfully turned off for Windows 11. Now you can install any app or software that Windows 11 Defender was not allowing you to install. So that's it. This is how you can turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.